In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Amazon Music Unlimited. If you're ready for more music, better audio quality, and a smoother listening experience, I'll walk you through two simple ways to upgrade. Directly from the Amazon Music app and through your web browser. Follow along and pick the method that's most convenient for you. Let's start with upgrading from the Amazon Music app. Open the app on your device and go straight to your profile icon. Depending on your version of the app, this is usually in the top corner. Inside your profile, look for the option that says Go Unlimited. Tap it to begin the upgrade. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your payment method and your billing address. If you already have a saved payment option on your Amazon account, you can select it here. Otherwise, add a valid card and confirm your address details. Take a second to review the plan information and pricing so everything looks right to you. When you're ready, tap Sign Up and Pay. That's it. Your upgrade is processed immediately. You'll instantly gain access to a much larger music library and improved audio quality, so you can start exploring new tracks and playlists right away. Now, if you prefer using a computer or just want the most reliable route, upgrading via a browser is a great choice. Go to the Amazon Music website and sign in with your Amazon account. Once you're in, click your profile name and choose Account and Settings. In that area, open the subscription section. You'll see an option to upgrade or join Amazon Music Unlimited. Click that, then choose the plan that fits you best and confirm. The website clearly lays out your options, so you can double-check the plan and price before finalizing. As soon as you confirm, your account is upgraded and you're good to go. A couple of quick tips to make things smooth. Make sure you're signed into the correct Amazon account, especially if you share devices. If the app layout looks a little different from what you're seeing here, don't worry. Menu names can vary slightly, but the Go Unlimited prompt and the subscriptions page on the website are the key places to look. And remember, you can return to your account settings anytime to view your current plan details. That's all there is to it. Whether you upgrade in the app or through your browser, you'll be listening with Amazon Music Unlimited in just a few moments. Enjoy the expanded catalog and the improved sound, and happy listening.